especially doon sa mga babies ko, yung mga babies ko doon sa Popo Live. For today's tutorial, let's talk about Popo Live. Kung bakit hindi nila nare-receive yung extra rewards nila doon sa crown seat. Kasi maraming nagtatanong sa akin, lalo na yung mga baguhan, mga newbies dyan, mga new babies ko sa Team Bishi. So, ito na po ang kasagutan ng inyong mga tanong. Okay? Makinig kayong mabuti. Okay. Makikita nyo po ito sa inyong rewards. So every time you have a task from Popo Live, you have to check on your rewards, okay? Then once you reach there in your rewards, makikita nyo po doon na may nakasulat na extra reward can only be received by new host or host with early task 3,000 points. Join the party for 2 hours and sit in the crown seat. Crown seat means yung naka-golden chair kayo, yung 2, 3, and 4. Yun po ang ibig sabihin ng crown seat, CS in short term. Okay? So, bakit hindi ninyo marireceive yung extra reward na another 1 hour? Kasi nga, kung makikita nyo doon sa taas, besides sa earnings, tapos hourly wage, kung nasa 1,000 pa lang ang inyong points per hour, ibig sabihin, hindi nyo makukuha ang inyong extra reward dahil kailangan po ng 3,000 points muna bago kayo makakuha ng extra another 1 hour. So, since nasa 1K lang kayo, kailangan nyo mag-level up muna. So, paano kayo magiging level up at paano nyo makuha yung level up na yon? So, merong requirements dun sa baba lang ng earnings, hourly wage, sa baba, still need, like for example, itong ginagawa ko ngayon, itong sample na photo na ito, is that kailangan niya ng 147,200 points. 147,200 points. So, once na makomply na yung points na yan, automatically, ma-change yung hourly wage niya, which is 3,000. And I hope you get what I mean. Thank you. Bye. Happy earnings, Bishies.